Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you try, the pain and pressure in your heart still can't subside? Many people have experienced inner struggles and feel deeply bound by past traumas and inner fears. This feeling is like an invisible chain, which makes us unable to truly experience the freedom and happiness of life. However, the key to unlocking the shackles is actually deep in the heart, that is, unconditional self-love. Loving yourself unconditionally means accepting your imperfections, understanding and forgiving all past mistakes and pains. This is not selfish behavior, but learning to take care of yourself and give yourself the care and forgiveness you deserve. Only by embracing yourself from the inside can you get rid of your inner pain and enter a calm and harmonious world. Inner peace is closely related to self-love. When we constantly self-criticize or refuse to accept ourselves, our hearts will be troubled by negative emotions and cannot get real relief. Such an inner state will affect our thinking and behavior, and even destroy our relationship with others. Self-love is the only way to spiritual relief. Only by stopping being enemies with yourself can you gain inner peace. Only by showing compassion to yourself can you truly feel the unconditional love and care. Many people are in pain because they can't accept themselves. They are often too strict with themselves, hiding their past mistakes deep in their hearts and constantly blame themselves. However, when you begin to learn to love yourself unconditionally, it is the first step towards inner freedom. To forgive yourself is to let go of persistence and set your mind free. Everyone has this ability to heal themselves, and they just need to learn to give themselves more patience and understanding. When you can love yourself unconditionally, you will no longer be trapped by the trauma of the past, but will have a new bright world. The reason why people suffer is often because they can't accept the status quo and are obsessed with the past or the future. Inner resistance will only aggravate the pain. Unconditional self-love means completely accepting yourself, no matter what you have experienced or done. This does not mean ignoring past mistakes, but learning to coexist peacefully with yourself and understanding that these experiences are part of growth. When you stop your inner confrontation and criticism, you can experience inner peace, get rid of pain, and regain control of your destiny. When you learn to love yourself unconditionally, you can feel peace and tranquility in your heart. This kind of calmness comes from no longer pursuing external identity, no longer relying on the evaluation of others to define oneself, but from finding self-worth from within. True happiness and satisfaction do not come from the outside world, but from inner peace. When you begin to love yourself deeply, the pain, fear, and anxiety of the past will gradually dissipate, and you will be able to face any challenge in life.